Hello everyone, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are super excited to share some of the new fabric that we have around here. Before we jump into that, we wanted to announce the winner of our little costume contest for last week. We were doing a little Halloween costume contest, so whoever came in got entered to win. We have a $25 Quilting Bee gift card and also some free tickets to the Road to California event. And our winner is Barb B. So we will be calling you later today to let you know that you are our winner. So congratulations and thank you so much for participating in our fun little contest. So congratulations, thank you. Okay, so moving on from our exciting announcement there, we've got our notion of the week. So this week we've got this amazing organic cotton thread. There are 3 different colorways here, all in the neutral family. So they are perfect for piecing and what have you, all sorts of different projects you could use this for. And it's fabulous that it is an organic option. So those little thread bundles will be 20% off for the rest of the week. And our kit of the week we're super excited about is our Lloyd and Lola pattern here, a little kit that we put together with these amazing little llamas. Our version is just the Lloyd version. We've just got 1 llama and we have the sample right up here so you can take a look at it as well. You may recognize this. Grace taught this class this previous session and it's this adorable little llama. There's even cuddle fabric included, so it gives your llama a nice little fuzzy look. It's a nice little fluffy llama. And the rest of it is flannel as well. So it's a very soft, cozy, cuddly kit. So that one will also be on sale for from today through next Wednesday. So yeah, very excited about both of those options. We are also very pleased to announce that we have moved all of our Christmas fabric up front here. So you'll find all of our Christmas holiday stuff right up front so that you can get started on all of those projects. Lots of beautiful fabrics. We've even got some kits and some bundles and patterns available, all sorts of things. We also have some more gifty type things. If you want to stop in and maybe you have a little quilt group going, you can get some of your little gifts here. We just got in these adorable little candles that have some fun little sewing themes. So a bobbin for apples. We've got a little fabric store candle there as well. And then lots of other fun things throughout here also. It continues through here, so we've got some wintry stuff, we've got some beautiful projects on this side, we've got this gorgeous Beatrice quilt here. We do still have some fat quarter bundles and some patterns for that one. We also have this amazing table runner here that uses the Pine Valley fabric. And this pattern here and the fat quarters are available separately as well. So a fun little fast and easy project there as well. And then looping around here, we've got even more Christmas on this side. Lots of panels. We've got some really adorable pillowcase kits. So as you can see, the whole section kind of flows into this little island as well. So lots to choose from. We're very excited. It's going to be a wonderful holiday season. And then moving into some non-holiday fabrics, we've got these gorgeous blenders here from Wilmington Prints. This is their new canvas blender. The name of the line is Canvas, but these are just regular cotton fabrics, regular quilting cotton, so perfect blenders. Beautiful, rich, saturated color in these as well. So I think everyone's going to really love the color palette. And moving on over into this section, we just wanted to show off some new patterns that we now carry. We've got these amazing modern patterns from Toad and Sew. So if you're looking for something a little different, these are going to be very fun. We also have restocked our Cuddle. So we've got lots more color options. We've got some of the favorites and a couple new colors. So very excited about those as well. And moving on over here, we're going to walk to the back novelty corner where we've got a few lines to show off. First, we'll start with this one from Wilmington Prints as well. This one is called Lake Retreat. Beautiful blues and grays in this collection. Lots of options. We've got a border print down here. Lots of wonderful stripes. Perfect for a cabin quilt. And there are a couple panels as well. So you've got your block panel with some cute little lake sayings on here. And then we also have the main panel, which has this whole little lakescape here. And then jumping across from this one, we do have all of the pre-cuts for Lake Retreat right up here as well. But then just right here, we have this awesome fabric. This one is called Misty Vistas. Beautiful blues and greens, mainly a green color palette with pops of blues. A few extra blenders on this side. And then there is this gorgeous panel that just goes absolutely wonderfully with the fabric itself. And the great thing about this collection is they do have a couple of free patterns that go with it. So we've got a quilt pattern here that makes up a whole quilt, 51 by 59, so nice throw size that incorporates the fabric. Then we've also got this pattern here that has a nice little wall hanging with the panel in the center. And then also some placemats using the smaller blocks on the panel. And some nice little tree piecing in there, which is really fun. And of course, we've got some pre-cuts that go along with this one as well. And moving even further back here, we've got an adorable little farm collection for you today. This one right here, super cute. This one is called Rise with the Sun. So you've got all of these adorable little farm motifs. Really fun styling on this one. It has a kind of almost like illustrative look on it. It's like a painted feel. And then we've got the panel here that has a couple really fun different little farm scenes. So you've got the panel and all the fabric, and of course some pre-cuts for this one as well. Okay, and moving on over here, something a little different, but also very fun. This line here is called Jardin Luna from Blank Quilting. All of these beautiful purples and blues against that black background really pop. And a fun little fact about this line is it does glow in the dark. So all of the yardage and the panel has some glow in the dark elements. So you've got all of the little moon phases, some floral, these cute little glow mushrooms with that butterfly. I think this one is going to be very popular, and there is a free pattern that goes with this one as well. So we've got the Mystic quilt that has this fun sort of lattice look, and the panel is right there in the center. So very cute. We think that one's going to be very fun, very popular. Okay, and moving on down the aisle here, we're gonna loop around and come to this amazing sort of kids line. It's a modern kids line. This one is called Woodland Wonder. This one is designed by Gingeber, very popular digital artist. Got all of these very fun prints, lots of cute florals, the little animals, and we've got sort of the pink colorway, and we've also got some blue as well. So very cute, could make it gender neutral or go more feminine or masculine. Some really cute panels in this collection. So this first one, this larger one here, quite large for each little block, but we've got all of these 4 very cute little animals. Make each one a little quilt block. Could do some pillows. So adorable. And then we also have this panel as well that has all of the cute little animal faces on it. So could make each one of these a little quilt block or do something kind of fun. Maybe you could turn them into little pillows or stuffies. Very cute. And then of course we've got some layer cakes, jelly rolls, charm packs, fat quarters, pretty much everything you need right here. Very cute. That's one of my favorites right now. Okay, and just a little sneak peek for our whatnot later today. We have a couple little half charms that are going to be our giveaways. So we've got some cute little one from Maywood Studios and one from Henry Glass. We even have, last week was such a great show, we didn't even get to all of our fabrics. So we've still got some from last week to show. So all of these bundles will be on there available to purchase. And we also will have some of the new fabric that you saw here today. So yeah, it's gonna be really fun. Hop over to the Whatnot app, join us. We are gonna go live at 4 p.m. Pacific time. So please come join us, hang out with us, and shop for some beautiful fabric. And the last collection of the day is this really fun Serene collection from Riley Blake. Wonderful outdoor theme. You've got all of these beautiful wildlife motifs mixed with some very cool geometric blenders, some cute little animal prints, and some really fantastic plaids. And Riley Blake does have some free patterns for these ones too. So both of them incorporate the panel, as you can see here. And the panel, so I'll open it up here so you can see for size. You've got all of the 4 blocks on here. This one has a cute little border. Very cute. This one could go more juvenile or a little older, could go more masculine. I think this one is very versatile. Really think this one is gonna do well. So very cute panel. Love that they have some free patterns that go with it. Got the panel here, some fat quarters. Really fun collection. Love the color scheme. Okay, well that brings us to the end of our tour for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you to everyone who came in last week for the Stupid Chicken sale and for the costume contest. Thank you so much, everyone. Hope you enjoyed yourselves as much as we did. Yeah, we are very happy with all of the fabric that we've seen here today. Hope you guys stop in and join us. Like I said, we will be on Whatnot a little bit later today, so come join us then as well. And we will see you next week for another What's Buzzin' at the Bee.